Hey Suze, check out my sticker.
Were you once a fetus?
Yeah, weren't you? Weren't we all?
Weren't we all?
I was a human then too.
Very good.
Very good. Oh wait, this is vlogged.
He brought us a baby. It's right here. Look, do you see it?
I saw it earlier and I was like, wow, I remember that.
Look who's here.
It's a ducky.
No.
Oh. Hey. It's me.
Manny's here.
Is this for the vlog?
Yes.
Oh my gosh. Yes, my triumphant return to the vlog. Hi,
Yes.
vlog.
We're having a slumpy.
I've missed you for so long. And I'm really happy I get to be on this again. I hope Susan puts this whole thing in and doesn't cut anything out.
No, I will not cut nothing. You hear that, future Suze? No cutting.
Nothing.
I
Right.
can't stop it.
Yes. It's okay. Let me put it on.
Oh! I'm so ready. I don't see it.
My hat.
Oh, that's cute!
You didn't see it?
Oh, I see it. It's like a normal hat
Yeah. Like
for the Grand
I
Canyon.
didn't have one because I'm from Texas. The only thing I would be concerned about heating up is the sour cream.
Ooh.
You think
Yes.
Frank is pretty? Yeah. Pretty. There is a monster! Indeed, eating some pear!
You want a holy water?
Yeah, we should.
Okay.
I'm trying not to be sacrilegious about this.
So she's going around and blessing all their rooms with holy water, just in case you didn't hear from earlier.
Yes, and I sprinkled some holy water on Susan's door, and I was trying to do this because I love Susan. And instead, the holy water dropped on the ground, and there was a mumbling, and so we had to run away without her hearing us because she was talking about diaper rashes on the phone, so she probably definitely heard us. Operation Holy Spirit complete.
What are you doing?
I am crimping and crimping and pimping.
Crimping and pimping?
And pimping.
Crimping with your crumpet?
What?
I tried to type crimper in my phone and then it came out as crumpet.
I like a good crumpet.
Yeah.
I actually don't know what a crumpet is. I look good, touch my swag, wish you could. I look fly, I look good, I look good.
Rosie, you look okay.
I'm gonna do it.
Do it.
Make me do it. If I say ooh or oh.
I look like a poodle.
Mom's rave about this class, Megan. Literally, Happy Monday to ya. Happy Monday. Happy Monday to ya. Getting practice. Happy Monday. Happy Monday.
I am artiste.
Do we have like
How many times have you checked the mail today?
4.
4. Have we had any mail?
No.
Are you okay?
No, but I will be.